Okay, the next pair we're looking at this morning is sterling against US dollar for the 26th of October, 2010. It's Christian from Serene Education speaking, and I'm just going to go over the pair on our CTC strategy template, starting with the daily time frame. So we have UK sterling, and what we're looking at is for any possible signs of movement. So what's been happening the last couple of days? Well, we've seen the pair ever since it tried to break above 1600 pull back. So noticeably in the last last week or so, we've seen a pullback and sitting above a previous support area as well as resistance between the 1570 mark or 1565 and excuse me, what we saw price rally yesterday morning and fall back during the afternoon session, and then this morning on the Asian market session we've seen the price rally again. Start of just before European Open, we saw price start making a move, and you can see that on our 5-minute chart how we had a break of a previous high for this time frame and an up move. Okay, you can see it really nicely on a 4-hour how the 200 period moving average acted as a support area for this pair the last number of last 12 or 18 hours, and then what we're looking for is a close above the previous high in this candle here, 1574. That would have come looking at our hourly charts, and we would have subsequently looked for an entry level to occur just above there. So this morning, or just before this morning, we would have been able to get an entry level on that, and you can see our CTC, we've got blue across the board, and then subsequently our 15-minute went blue and our 30-minute. So at the time I was speaking, we have blue across all the small time frames as well as our hourly chart. So what we like to do is see pair close higher than the area that you're seeing now. Sorry, I'll bring up the 30 minutes so you can see that. So as long as the pair can stay above this high here, just about 1570-700, then we could see further upside movement. Okay, you can see a bit of a pullback occurring as we speak on the 5 minutes. I'll zoom that in. You can see a pullback. At the moment now, on a daily, it's testing the 20 period moving average, which is acting as a ceiling level. This is going to be in the form of the 50 period moving average on 4-hour, and you can see at the moment now on an hourly chart, we are testing a previous, we've just broken above previous resistance at 1577, so a pullback, and if we could close higher than that, then we could see a rally towards the 200 period moving average at 1584 to start with. Okay, so what do we have over here? So if things can stay the same as they are now, and today we see a closing higher, then we could see a bullish engulfing, and a close above the 20 period moving average would see a strong support area at this level here, and confirmation of that. So we could see a bounce again and a reattempt at the 1600 mark in the not so distant future. Okay, so factor that all in, guys. Look at 1585 as possible ceiling at the moment now. A close higher than that today would obviously definitely see some more upside movement. Okay, that's it on the sterling. I'll be back next with the US dollar against the Swiss franc.